Welcome to San Diego's Birch Aquarium at Scripps, where ocean science education meets ocean-sized imagination. Discover a world-class celebration of the sea that is sure to spark curiosity in kids of all ages, and parents too. Come face to face with all kinds of marine life, from itty-bitty seahorses to giant sea turtles. Birch Aquarium highlights the latest research by world-renowned Scripps Institution of Oceanography and its amazing scientists and explorers. Your family can be explorers too. Take a behind-the-scenes tour to learn about conservation and the care of the thousands of creatures that call this place home. Be sure to check out the Oddities exhibit, which showcases real animals with comic book-level superpowers. Then, head to the picturesque Tide Pool Plaza, where volunteers can help you get up close and personal. Bring your family to Birch Aquarium and see the sea like never before.